Ivy, and today I'm going to show you how to get this really cute, easy top knot and bang style. I did use a wig to create this look, and the hair I used to create this look today is from Yolissa hair. And this hair is popping, y'all. It's so nice and silky. It's really pretty, and it's perfect for this type of really sleek look. Okay, so let's get started on the look. The hair I'm using today is from Yolissa hair, and this is their Brazilian straight. They're having a huge sale going on right now, so make sure you check the description bar to get all the links and everything to go check out their website. Today we're going to be using their Brazilian straight hair. I used 3 bundles, 2 26s and 1 24, and 1 13x6 frontal. Now 13x6 frontals are my favorite type of frontals because they just look so realistic. I just love all the coverage that you get. So I just made me like a bald cap using a stocking cap, and I just sprayed some got to be here, and this is what I was left with. And this right here is my wig grip, so my wig doesn't come off. Now this frontal is very easy to customize. It matches my skin perfectly. I didn't have to tint it, none of that type of stuff. So I just went in and plucked it, and that's it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the wig on. As you guys can see, it lines up with my hair like what? Perfectly. Flawless wig. The hair does have some texture to it. Now that I co-washed it, it's not as silky as it was, which I don't mind at all. I actually think that makes it look a lot more realistic. Now here's why I like the 13x6 frontals, you guys. It just goes all the way back, and it just gives you a more realistic look. So this top knot bang situation is really easy. What we're gonna go ahead and do is part off a section for our bangs. And to part off your bangs, you just want to do like a nice little triangle, because we don't want super thick bangs, right? Make sure you get in that area pretty even, you guys, because this is your bangs. You don't want them crazy looking. This is like a pretty good location for my bangs. I'm liking this. So what you're going to do now is take a blow dryer, and we're just going to press out the area for our bangs so our bangs can hang forwards in our face. So you want to get a nice grip on that and cut your blow dryer on. Okay, and that's pretty much it, what you want to do with your blow dryer. So now, you guys, you want to get some super sharp shears. When I say sharp, make sure they're really sharp. I get mine from Amazon, and they work really good. I spent like 10 bucks. So what you want to do, this is my little technique into cutting the perfect fringe. I got this from a channel I watched years ago here on YouTube, and this method has helped save my life. So what you want to do is take your 2 fingers, go like this, and then we're going to twist. And you can determine how short or long you want your fringe. I think I want mine, I'm going to cut it about right here. Right here. Alright. And that's your fringe. It looks like I kind of cut it a little too short, which I hate having short bangs, but that's okay. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to take our flat irons and we're going to bump them. I definitely could have made my bangs a little bit longer, but that's okay. But definitely, if you want to bang this more in your eye, I would suggest cutting it a little bit longer. I like to leave a little hair out right there, because I'm not gluing this unit down, but this is just going to help camouflage, you know, our flaps. So just leave a little bit of hair down, just like that. And then you just want to pull the section up and do the same thing on the other side. So you just want to make sure you have an even ponytail secured. And this is what your sides will look like. so it's camouflaged. Okay, so this is how your ponytail should be looking. And what you want to go ahead and do is put a scrunchie or something on it just so you can hold it in place. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and twist this. Okay, guys, you just want to play with your bun until it looks how you like. And then you just want to wrap around the loose ends. Now, don't pull your bun apart too much because it's going to fall loose. But just, you know, mess with it till it looks exactly how you want it to look. I think I like mine like that. Okay, you guys. And next, you just want to brush your hair. Now, I'm just going to flat iron it a little bit. And this hair flat iron is really good. I ended up using 3 bundles to make this unit. So, I didn't use a lot of hair at all. And it's still very, very, very full. So, this is pretty much the final result of the look. Really cute, really pretty. It's a perfect summer style. It's a good protective style. You don't have to glue down your wig. You know, everything looks nice and natural. It's just really cute. Perfect for a little night out, a little date night or whatever. This hair is very, very bouncy, very, very soft. And it's super affordable. If you guys are interested in this hair, make sure you check the description bar below. All the links and details will be down there. Thanks so much for watching this quick style video, and I will talk to you guys next time.